What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech, and in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can connect your DualShock PS4 controller to your iPhone. Now what you want to do is go ahead and go to your Bluetooth settings, and then you're going to want to take your charged DualShock controller, and then from here, once you have your phone set down, hold down the PS4 button and the share button, and wait till the controller flashes blue. Once it does that, and if you hold it long enough, you'll see, boom, it pops up. So I will show y'all again how to do it. Take your PS4 controller, hold the PS4 button, and then the share button at the same time. Now I know the first time I did this, it actually took maybe 30 full seconds before it showed up. But then when I repaired it again afterwards, it took like 10 seconds. So it might take a little bit longer for you, but just hold the PS4 button and the share button. And then once you see it in the Bluetooth settings, just tap on it. And then enter any game that is supported. I'm using Minecraft Bedrock Edition. And my controller is about to die because I didn't fully charge it, but you could see it was plugged in. But once it is unplugged, it is totally wireless. Just make sure you have a full charge. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. That's how you connect your DualShock controller. And as always, peace.